Hello traders. Today, November 30th, right now the time is 9:45. This is Banknifty future 1 minute chart. Daily basis, we are analyzing how calls are generating and how it's performing in this chart. And today, at November 30th, Wednesday, after 9:45, due to a sharp downside momentum, a sell call generated. It's a sell signal, okay? Due to it's a sell signal, red color candle open. So you can easily understand, all can understand, it's a red color, so downtrend. If it's a green color, it's a buy turn. Okay, so all can easily understand. Simple chart. You are just going to watch the chart, get the call, place order in your broker account, or you can choose auto trading and trade according to that also. It's a simple buy sell signal you will receive on daily basis. Right now a sell call generated at 43,322. That is our entry point. That straight white color line from first candle. Okay, that is our entry point line. Below red color line are target line, target 1 and 2. Above line is the stop loss line. First target range is more than 108, 43,218. Okay, let's wait and see how this call work in live market. After 1 hour of the sell call, the market finally able to break out the first target range. During first 30 minutes, okay, first 30 minutes of the sell call generator, it traded at the entry point range only. After 30 minutes only, market started to slowly, step by step, it come to downside and it finally break out the first target range. Like this only today's sell call achieved the first target. Bank Nifty weekly option chart, it's out of the money option chart. 43,000 put option. Okay, under 100 the buy call momentum begin. Due to it's a put option, buy call. Okay, so in option there is this speciality, but you will receive the premium for it. Okay, and meanwhile future it has given more than 110 point, but in option as you can see only 50 point given. It the buy call came at 100 and it went up to 150 during the time of first target, and current scenario it trading at 174. So like this chart will give signal in future as well as option chart. If you want to subscribe for this chart, if you want this chart, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. I will provide you the detail. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.